What's up, broskies and sisters? Welcome back to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time here, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny content and just try and get a laugh, chill, and just vibe. So feel free, check out some of our content. And if you like what we do here and you want to be part of the family, feel free to subscribe. And let's keep rocking. On God, let's see. Okay, so we have a new one to react to. This one is a special edition for the couples for Christmas. We're gonna see if we can find some funny content to do for Christmas. It's gonna be a special Christmas edition. I will take our time and look for a nice one, and then we're gonna react to that one. But for now, we got the couple one. So for the couples out there, let's see how y'all be at home. Oh, thank you guys for the 450 subscribers. Let's keep growing. But let's go straight into the video.
Am I the problem?
Of course you are!
We're starting hard. Pause. When you go to bed angry but touch is your love language. That's a little bit too physical now, bruh. Come on. Tone it down a little bit.
I love you.
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 Alright, this is getting out of hand already. I know where this is going.
I love you.
Alright. Yeah.
This was kind of cringe, but then I understand what's going on, but it's still like,
Yep.
what's going on, bruh? And then you're gonna do, is that a crying one? I want to see the zombie one. That's a zombie one. Okay, that was funny. That one was funny.
Nice.
I like the zombie one.
She's mine! You stay away from her, it's not her.
Okay, bro. I'm staying away. I'm staying. This is not funny.
Babe, put your hands up. Now drop your weapons. All of them. Now move away real slow. I said move away slow!
That popped out right off her cooch. Yo. Why are you scared of your wife or your girl, G? Like, so this one's gonna teach her husband how to be romantic. I guess her husband is not romantic enough. Get you a Nigerian man.
What's on your back?
What?
What's all over your back and on your shirt?
Where?
Dude, it's
Oh.
all over.
Oh, that might be my trial coat body lotion. I was supposed to rub it in. Is it not it?
No,
Oh, can you help? Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah.
it doesn't
That's-
rub in.
Oh, so physical touch is your thing.
Oh, that's good. Yes,
Just
this
communicate
sucks.
with your man.
That's good. Yeah, keep going.
This is
Just-
supposed to work. It's just like turning your
I
back
think there's
black.
some on my lower back too.
Or just ask for a massage.
Dude, you're getting
It's
it
easier.
all over your skirt.
Okay, it was difficult to get those.
You agree with me, right? Just ask for a massage.
Is it coming off?
Instead of
You might keep
going through this
It says
whole
like
drama.
30 minutes or something.
30 minutes?
Yeah, I saw it on TikTok.
Wow. Okay, that's gaslighting, bro. That was a gas moment, right? That was a gas moment right there.
Oh, no, no, no.
I want to see where this is going because I have no. Huh? But why though? Oh, okay. 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 So he's doing a little bit of covering up. I would imagine. He takes the bag down. Okay, yeah, that's yeah, covering up. Okay, I get it. I get it. So now is she going to stay inside or is she still going to go out? Because everything I'm cool. The only thing that is like, why is the shoes like? Oh, okay. To the store. To the store. Oh. To the store to go get food. Is that why? Because otherwise I don't get it. When you are in the mood, but she's not. They be like that sometimes.
I got it. I got it. Oh, I got it. I got it.
She's small, bro. You look fine, okay? And she brought a fan out, and you see, he never trusted her from the beginning. He knew. He knew. Yeah.
It's got broccoli, right?
6 months already. 6 months already? It's a little bit too soon. Nah, 8 months is too soon, bro.
Make room. So anyway, yeah.
Nah, I disagree.
She
8
actually told me
months.
the whole story. It was crazy.
Nah, 8 months is too soon, bro.
Babe, I'm on the toilet.
Do it look like I care, babe?
Are you serious?
Come on.
We can't share.
Alright.
What?
We're stuck together forever.
Are you serious?
Bye.
Yeah, that's a little bit too soon. 8 months was a little, like to eat. I mean, I don't even care if we spend 100 years. I'm not gonna eat in the toilet while you shitting. Hell nah. How real couples sleep together? He just smacked him, right? Manipulating at its finest. See, the man so caring, loving. I don't know. Yeah, and I was just giving the man props, and that happened. Wow, I didn't. Yeah,
But
It be
I
like
bet
that
you don't have the
sometimes.
balance to do this. Ready? Interlock your hands, push down, and look at the bottom of your foot behind you. Hi.
No way. No way. No way. No way. You know why that was so funny? They got me too. I didn't know where that was going. I thought it was gonna be like like to see. Anyways, whatever. They got me. Damn. Yeah, that was funny, bro. That was funny, bro. Me on my way to having my girlfriend. Do it. Yeah. Could be true.
Honey, I think I'm gonna shower.
Right now?
Yeah, I'm gonna shower, okay?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Getting in the shower with you. What do you mean?
No, I said I'm gonna shower.
Oh.
Like, just me.
We all-
Solo.
Solo
Who's gonna
dolo.
wash me? Who's
gonna wash
who's
me?
gonna wash my body? Who's gonna wash
Who's
these
gonna wash-
tootsies?
I'll give you your loofah. Take your nose sponge.
I don't want this. You.
Okay, how about I go on the one downstairs, you go over here.
You're not getting it. You're not understanding me. You shower, I shower, we shower. We
Okay.
shower
But
together.
there's 2 showers. Why would we waste them?
We shower together. I'm a little confused because your words are saying get out, but your face is saying lather up. You know what I mean?
No, I'm smiling because I'm just a little uncomfy telling you this.
Oh, totally get it. Totally understand. I love you. Enjoy your shower. Okay? I'll catch you on the next one.
Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe I will. Just gonna.
Okay.
Go!
Yep, on the way. Yep.
Okay.
Hi, honey. I'm home.
Hello.
Hello. Oh. That was not a happy hello.
He
What's
knew
wrong?
already from the
I'm here behind the
get-go.
Christmas tree while you're out with the ho-ho-hos. Noah.
Who? Honey, there's no ho-ho-hos. I'm 32 minutes late. I will admit, I'm home a little late. There's no ho-ho-hos. A lot of people have.
Santa baby, bring a husband home to me.
On time. Because mine doesn't want to.
Honey, it is good to see you. A lot of people had a lot of questions. Don't wipe that off.
You know who has questions?
What?
Your wife.
What?
Like,
question?
why don't you love her?
I do. I do. People had a lot of questions. I got a little behind. I had to finish things up, and I'm home now.
The Air Force meeting. Walk-ins. That's all I hear.
Listen, I'm sorry. I'm home now. Listen, big question I have for you. Have you eaten today?
I had some snacks.
Oh, okay. Everybody up. Everybody wrapped up. We're moving out.
How is she home all day and there's nothing to eat, like, bro? Like, that would make me something to eat if I was home all day and make for whoever is gonna be at home later on, like, bro, like.
Hey, I have a magic show.
You have a magic show?
Yeah, I want to see. Take a seat. But
Yeah.
look at this one.
Yo!
That doesn't even look real.
Oh,
Like,
How'd you do that?
and then I'm gonna put it back.
this is like a mannequin, like.
What?
That was good.
How'd you do that?
That was amazing. That's me.
Yeah, that was that. Yeah, nah, that was not it, bruh. And that was the last one. Okay. There was a good reason why that wasn't the last part. I'm not hating, but hey, I hope y'all enjoyed this one, and I'm gonna see you guys on the other one. Happy festive seasons for everyone who is celebrating the season. So y'all have a good one, and I'll see you guys. Bye for now.